Hello students, in today's video we are going to learn three main functions in trigonometry, and these are sine, cosine and tangent. But before this, I am reminding you that if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe the channel, and please press the bell button for latest notification. So let's get started our video. So I was telling you that sine, cosine and tangent, these three are main functions of trigonometry. These are the main functions of trigonometry, but first we should know what is a function. So a function takes some input value, carries out any particular operation on it, and gives out the output value. For example, if I am taking theta as the input value and it carries the sine operation on it, then it gives us some value as a output. So this is the function. So these three names, sine, cosine and tangent, these are just the fancy names given to the function. So after trigonometric functions, trigonometric ratios are there. But what is trigonometric ratio? So trigonometric ratio express the relationship between the angle and the length of its sides. Like this is a triangle. So with the help of trigonometric ratio, we can express what is the relation between the angle. Suppose this angle A, what is the relation of this angle A with its sides? So I will tell you two methods to find out the trigonometric ratios one by one. First method to find out the trigonometric ratios. In this method, first we will take a triangle. Like this is a triangle A, B, C, and at B it is 90 degree, and these are two acute angles A and C. So let's see how we can find out trigonometric ratios. So in the first method, first you should know which side is hypotenuse, which side is adjacent, and which side is opposite side. So always remember this opposite side of 90 degree. Opposite side of 90 degree will be always hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Then which side is adjacent side? So adjacent side is right next to the reference angle. Means if I am taking this angle C as a theta, so this side will be the adjacent side, and opposite to this angle, like I am taking angle theta, opposite to angle theta, the same way I will make. If I am taking like this, B 90 degree, A and C, so this is the theta angle, opposite to theta this side, so this side is opposite side, so this side is opposite side with reference to this angle theta. If angle will change, then the sides will also change. For example, again I will take one more triangle. Now I will take this angle theta, angle A as a theta angle. So now the other sides will change according to this. First of all, opposite to 90 degree, again this will be hypotenuse. Then opposite to the reference angle. Reference angle means the angle we are talking about, opposite to this is the opposite side, and this side, that is right next to the reference angle, this is right next to the reference angle, so this side is adjacent side. So it's very important that we should come to know the sides of the triangle, which side is opposite, which is hypotenuse, and which side is adjacent side. So after knowing these sides, how we can find out trigonometric ratio? First we will know sine theta. Sine theta, that sine is a function and we are taking that a reference angle theta. So according to that, sine theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Sine theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse, and like this cos theta. So cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So we should check the relation between sine and cos. What is the relation? If I put sine theta in the numerator and cos theta in the denominator, then let's see what will happen. So I will write opposite upon hypo for sine, and if I will divide with the cos, so cos is adjacent upon hypo, so when it will go up, so reciprocal is there, hypo upon adjacent. So hypo upon adjacent, we can cancel this. So what we are getting? Opposite upon adjacent. So this is tangent. Sine upon cos is tangent. So value of tangent is opposite upon adjacent. I will take one example. If sides are given in the triangle ABC, suppose this is 5, this is 2, this is 3. So I am taking this angle A as a theta. So according to this theta, opposite to 90 degree, so 5 is the hypo. 5 is hypo. Opposite to angle theta. Opposite to angle theta, this side is opposite side, and next to the reference angle, this is the adjacent side. So we can find out all values. Like if I am talking about sine theta, so value of sine theta is opposite upon hypo. So opposite is 3 upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 5. If I want to find out cos theta, so cos theta is adjacent upon hypo. So adjacent value is 2. 2 upon hypotenuse is 5. And if I want to find out tangent theta, so as you know, tangent theta is sine upon cos. So you can put values. Sine is 3 upon 5 and cos is 2 upon 5. If it will go upside, it will be reciprocal. So we can solve like this. 5 upon 2, 5 will cancel, 3 upon 2. So with this formula, the same value should come. Let's see. So tangent is opposite upon adjacent. So opposite is 3 and adjacent is 2. The same value as we got from there. So tangent theta is sine theta upon cos theta. This one was the first method. So one tip is there, how you can remember that, how we can find out the value of sine, cos and tangent. So that is, you can write down so ka to. So ka to means sine. So sine, what is the value of sine? OH means opposite upon hypotenuse. O is the first letter of opposite and H is the first letter of hypotenuse. So SOH, sine is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Ka means cos. So cos is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. CAH. Cos is equal to adjacent and H for hypotenuse. TOA means tangent is equal to opposite upon adjacent. TOA. TOA. Tangent is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Now we will discuss second method. Second method is very easy and very time saving method. It's very easy to use. So if I will make a triangle, this ABC 90 degree. So how we can find out the trigonometric ratios in the second method? So I will tell you, you have to learn this thing. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. This line you have to remember. For that, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. So now you will come to know why we are saying this line. We will make a table with the help of this line like this. So first letter we will write Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. This is very easy to remember with the help of this line. So this first column, this is for sine. Second column, cos. Third column is for tangent. And the other values are reciprocal, these sine, cos and tangent. So this is the value of cosecant, this is the value of secant, and this is the value of cotangent. For using this table, we should know in the triangle which side is perpendicular, which side is hypotenuse, and which side is base. So if I am talking about this angle C as a theta, again opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Then again opposite to the angle theta, the reference angle, this will be perpendicular. This is perpendicular and this side is base. The side along with the reference angle, this is base. One more time I will tell you, opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Opposite to the reference angle means which angle we want to take, opposite to that is perpendicular, and the line, the side along with the angle, the reference angle, is always base. Now we know that which side is hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. Now we can use this table. So we will find again the trigonometric ratios like sine. Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta base upon hypotenuse. So according to this triangle, what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is AB. So we can write down AB upon hypotenuse is AC. AB upon AC. Then cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So base is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Now we can find out again the value of tangent. Tangent is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. So value of secant is hypotenuse upon base, and value of cot is base upon perpendicular. So let's see with the help of a triangle ABC. If this is 5, this is 2, this is 3, these are the length of the sides. If I am talking about this angle A as a theta, so let's see which is perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. So opposite of 90 is, this is hypotenuse. Opposite of our reference angle theta is 3, so this side is perpendicular and this side along with the reference angle is base. So this is H, this is P, this is B. So value of sine theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 3, hypotenuse is 5. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So what is base here? 2 and H is 5. value of tangent theta is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 3 here. We will write 3 upon base. Base is 2. Like this we can find out the value of other trigonometric ratios with the help of this table. So both methods you can use, first method and second method, to find out these trigonometric ratios. Students, if you like this video, please write down in the comment section. If you have any query and any doubt related to this video, please write down in the comment section. Thank you.